guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this stunning mermaid blue eyes paired with a nude lip, which is such a perfect look for summer. You can just wear this look to a lot of parties and festivals and beach parties, and I think this makeup look will just make you stand out. You can use similar products which I have used for this makeup look. You don't have to buy the exact products which I have used. So I hope you're gonna like this video, and if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Since it's a summer look, guys, I have already applied sunscreen on my face and done my eyebrows. Now it's time to apply some foundation, and for the foundation I'm using this MILANI Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and I'm just taking 1.5 pump of this at the back of my hand, then just warming it up a little bit and then just putting it all over my face in small dots. So this foundation is super long wearing, guys, and it has got a very nice coverage. Since I'm doing very bold eye look, so I just want my face to look a lot more even toned and having a very nice coverage. So I'm using this foundation, and you can see from the application that it has provided me such a nice coverage and such a nice glowy look. Now for the concealer, I'm just mixing these two concealer. At first I'm using this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, which has got a little bit of peachy undertone, and this will actually help in just correcting my dark circles. And on top of that, I'm just putting the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium, which will actually just conceal and highlight my face. So mixing these two concealer, I'm just putting it on the areas where I just need to conceal, and then just blending this out with the help of the same sponge. Now to set my concealer and my foundation, I'm using a translucent powder from Sugar. So I'm just baking my face. So I'm just putting the translucent powder under my eyes, on my nose, on the jawline where I just need to bake. So I just need my makeup long lasting, guys, so I'm just doing baking, and I'm just going to leave this baking for around 5 minutes and then just dust it off using a powder brush. I'm gonna use the same brush to set my overall face as well. Now it's time to do my eye makeup, and for the eyes I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Beauty Glazed, and it's called the Neptune eyeshadow palette, which is a perfect dupe for the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession palette. So at first I'm taking this matte teal shade from the palette, and in a very nice fluffy blending brush I'm just putting it all over my crease and blend it very nicely. So you can see, guys, this shade is really pigmented and a little bit streaky, so you just need to work hard to blend this shade all over your crease. Now I'm taking this light matte blue shade from the palette, and in a pitted blending brush I'm gonna put it in the outer corners of my eyes and drag it towards the previous transition shade. So this will automatically create a very nice gradient in your eyes. I'm also dragging that shade towards my lower lash line as well. Now taking this dark navy blue matte shade from the palette, I'm just putting it all over my lid as a lid shade. So this is how it turned out. Now taking the previous blending brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges so that there will be no harsh lines. Now going back to the palette, I'm taking this deep blue sparkling shade and just spritzing a little bit of fixer in it. I'm just spreading this eyeshadow on top of that blue eyeshadow which I have put on my lid. So this sparkling shade doesn't work on its own, you just need a base to work on. Now it's time to apply some glitter, and I'm using this glitter eyeshadow from Glitter MAFIA, and it's a glitter having transparent base, but it has got lots of multicolored glitters, you can see, and with a very small flat shaded brush I'm just applying this all over my lid, and you can see how pretty it looks, and the shade is called Mermaid, guys. Now for tightlining my eyes, I'm using this NYKAA Bold Kajal and tightlining my upper and lower waterline with it. Taking this navy blue shade from the palette, again in a small smudging brush, I'm gonna smudge out the kohl which I have put on my lower waterline. Followed by this matte teal shade, I'm gonna blend the previous deep navy blue shade to create a gradient on my lower lash line as well. Taking this matte yellow shade from the palette, I'm gonna just put it in the inner corners of my eyes to add a pop of color on my eyes. Now it's time to apply some liquid eyeliner. This part is optional, guys. You can skip eyeliner for this look as well, but I just like to draw wings, so I am using this liquid eyeliner from ELENBLU, and it's a matte liquid liner, so I'm gonna just create a wing. For the mascara, I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and coating my upper and lower lashes with it. I'll be also using a pair of false eyelash as well. So guys, I have worn this Pack Mink eyelash in number AM75, and this is how it turned out. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face, and I'm gonna just contour my face using this contour palette from NYKAA, and you can see how much I love this palette. So contouring actually helps in just making your face look a lot more structured and defined, and it also just slims down your face. So I'm just adding this contouring shade in the hollows of my face, on my jawline where I just need to add artificial shadows. I'll be also contouring my nose as well to make my nose look a lot more slimmer and structured. For the blush, I'm using this NYKAA Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell, and I'm just mixing these two shades and applying this on the apples of my face. You just need to blend your blush along with your contours. For the highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, and this is a gorgeous highlighter, guys. It has got a perfect champagne along with peach undertone, which is perfect for Indian skin tone. So I'm just adding this on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose, forehead, chin, and adding a little bit of this in the inner corners of my eyes, and also highlighting my brow bone with the same as well. For the lipstick, I'm using this very affordable Maybelline non-transfer lipstick in the shade Phylloxin, which is a very nice pinkish nude having lots of peach and brown in it. So the formula of the Maybelline lipsticks is really good, guys. It more or less having the same formula like the ColourPop lipsticks. It applies very nicely on your lips, and after some time it just gives you a finish of more like a liquid matte lipstick, which I really like. So highly recommended. You just need to try this one. Now to set my overall face, I'm using this makeup setting spray from L'Oreal, and you just need your makeup last for a very long time, so don't forget your makeup setting spray. And so this is how my makeup has turned out. So this is a finished look, guys. I really enjoyed working with so much colors, and I really like how it turned out. I hope you also liked this video, and if you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't already. So more videos are on its way. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Bye. I love you.